Nature is an invaluable treasure, a place where we find beauty, peace, and life itself. But without awareness and action, this beauty fades. Uncontrolled tourism can pose a serious threat to nature's delicate balance. This is where sustainable reserves comes in. Through responsible tourism, we can enjoy nature while safeguarding it for the future. By choosing responsible travel, we protect ecosystem, support local communities, and preserve the wonders of our planet. When we care for nature, tourism becomes more meaningful. We ensure these treasures endure for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference. Let's turn tourism into a force for good, protecting nature and empowering communities.